वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले कॉपी और पेन जरूर ले लीजिए। वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। टुडे वी आर ड्राइव इनटू टॉपिक दैट many you are asking about, how to build a successful passive income stream. If you are ready to make a money while you sleep, then you have to come right place. Let's start. How to build a successful passive income stream. Before you begin, let's define passive income actual means. Passive income refers to money you are earned with minimum effort and time investment on the basis. It is about creating a system and asset that generate for you when you not actively working. So how can we build a successful passive income stream? Here is the key steps. First step, choose right passive income idea. There are many type of option available, such as investing in stock, real estate, starting with online business, creating a digital product. Take some time to research, find a idea, reliance with your skill, interest and financial goal. Second step, develop the solid plan. Once you are selected passive income idea, then develop a solid plan. Outline your goal, determine the step you need to take, and set up the realistic timeline. Having a clear roadmap will keep your focus and motivated through the process. Third step, invest time and effort upfront. Now here is the truth. Build a successful passive income stream required a upfront time and effort. It is a researching investment opportunity, create a content or build a website. You will be need to put in the work at a beginning. But remember, initial investment will be pay off in the long run. Step 4. Automate and delegate. One of the key principles of passive income of automation. Look for a way to automate repetitive tasks. Delegated responsibility. However possible, this could be means using tools and software to timeline your process and outsourcing the content of tasks if freelancer. You will be free of the more time yourself. Maximize your passive income potential. Fifth step, diversify your passive income stream. To build a successful passive income stream, it is important to diversify. A single source of passive income can be risky. Explore different fields and invest in multiple streams to spread out your risk and increase your potential earning. This could be conclude investing is a different asset class or exploring various online business opportunity. And there you have it. The key of step to build successful passive income stream. Remember, it is not a overnight process, but with persistence and dedication, with smart choice, with a create a reliable source of income that work for you. Even you are not actively working, so take action, stay committed, and enjoy the financial freedom to passive income can provide. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more valuable content. And as always, free feel to leave any questions or comment down.